Sir, 2 of my books have deserted. The bird. Sir, we found Haraka and we think it's here.
I told you the bird is gone!
I should have killed you in the council chamber.
My bucks grow restless too, sir. They're not used to sitting out in the open like this. What is the brief in terms of taking prisoners, sir?
No prisoners.
But sir, what about those not engaged in the fight? Capturing the strongest bucks and sparing the does would surely be the wisest...
If you continue to make a habit of questioning me, Captain, believe me, I will cure you of it.
Sir.
To inlay with starving them out.
Move in! Storm the tunnel!